Hi, I've decided it's going to be a lot easier to show you how I did this than to try and put it into words. So this is a very quick clip just to give you an idea. This is what your doll is going to look like, or your witch is going to look like. You've all got different dolls. They were poured in the exact same porcelain. This was done deliberately so that everybody can have something different. Now I've already painted her and I'm going to show you how I did that. I've taken my acrylic paint, mixed it into a thickish paint. You'll see I've got a sponge here, but you can use any plaster towel or anything like that. And what we do is we dip our paint, then we take the paint off again. So there's very little, and then we start brushing it over her. Now you'll see where I'm brushing, there aren't really brush strokes. It gives almost a grainy effect, which is what we want with her. So dip it off. Now I wanted the blue to show through on the face. Now if you look at her, she has a very translucent look about her. I will fix her lips shortly when I do the lips, but I'm not going to do that in camera. So to build up my colour, I mean this is over an hour of painting to build up the colour. You can prance the paint off as well on your hand if you want to, like I do. And then just gently airbrush it over. It's almost what we call dry brushing. If you're getting streaks, in other words, if you're getting that effect, you've got too much paint on your brush. So wipe it off and take some of the paint off, and then if your paint is not too wet, you'll start seeing your colour build up. Now I'm using a pretty soft brush, and that is how you build up your colour till you've got her to the point where you are happy with her colour. I wanted the grey blue showing through the white. I wanted her to have this translucent look. Whether she's a ghost, whether she's a witch, whatever she is, she needed to look the part. This would work really well with the gothic dolls as well. If you don't like her, take your acrylic paint off with water and start again. Can't wait to see what you do. Have fun!